All right, here's a wild thought. By the time you finish this video, you could have a completely different idea of what your future looks like.
Wow, nice.
Let me explain. Cloud computing isn't just a buzzword anymore. It's the backbone of everything. From the apps on your phone to the way companies store data, it's all up there, in the cloud. And here's the exciting part. The industry is exploding, and so are the opportunities. So today, I'm not here to throw generic tech talk at you. We're going straight to the good stuff. 5 cloud careers that aren't just in demand, they're redefining the game. I'll break down what these jobs actually look like, the skills you need, and yes, how much you can earn. Spoiler alert, the numbers will make you sit up. Let's kick this off with the cloud solutions architect. Think of them as the architects of the digital world. These are the people designing the cloud infrastructure for companies like Amazon, Netflix, or even startups you'll hear about next year. Their job is to solve big picture problems with even bigger picture thinking. Here's what they actually do. They design systems, make sure everything works smoothly, and balance technical needs with business goals. It's like being the bridge between the technical team and the people calling the shots. To succeed, you'll need skills like mastering platforms like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud, knowing your way around programming languages like Python or Java. And yes, communication skills are key. You'll be translating tech speak into business speak. And the payoff? Huge. The salary range for a cloud solutions architect is insane. Up to 50 lakh rupees a year in India or $200,000 in the US. If you're already feeling intrigued, just wait for what's next. Next up, DevOps engineer. These are the people making sure your favorite apps don't crash. Their job? They sit at the intersection of development and operations, automating systems, speeding up processes, and ensuring smooth app delivery. Essentially, they're the behind-the-scenes heroes of the tech world. To join their ranks, you'll need hands-on experience with tools like Docker or Kubernetes, skills in scripting with Python or Shell, and a strong grip on concepts like infrastructure as code. In return, you're looking at a salary range from 20 lakh rupees to 150,000 US dollars annually, depending on where you work. Plus, the demand is skyrocketing. Thank the ever-growing DevOps market for that. All right, let's talk about cloud security specialists, aka the people who keep the internet from turning into complete chaos. With cyber attacks in the news almost every week, companies need experts who can safeguard their systems. Cloud security specialists develop strategies, set up security protocols, and ensure compliance with global regulations. To excel, you'll need a strong grasp of security tools and frameworks, familiarity with standards like GDPR or HIPAA, and analytical skills to stay one step ahead of potential threats. If that sounds intense, it is. But the rewards are worth it. Salaries can hit 30 lakh rupees in India or $160,000 in the US. Not bad for being a digital bodyguard, right? Now, if you're into big data, this one's for you. Cloud data engineer. These are the wizards behind the scenes, building the infrastructure that helps companies analyze vast amounts of data. From designing data pipelines to maintaining cloud warehouses like Snowflake, they turn raw data into actionable insights. The skills? Think Hadoop, Spark, SQL, and Python. And the pay? Let's just say 25 lakh rupees or $170,000 a year sounds pretty magical to me. Finally, a non-technical role with big impact. Cloud SDR. These are the folks connecting companies with the right cloud solutions. They identify potential clients. If you're great at communication and love the idea of combining sales with tech, this is your sweet spot. Salaries range from 12 lakh rupees to $80,000, and commissions? Those can be the real game changer. So, what do you think? These aren't just jobs. They're opportunities to shape the future of technology. And here's the good news. If any of these roles caught your eye, you don't have to navigate it alone. At NetTech India, we've got training programs tailored for each of these careers. Hands-on projects, industry-backed courses, and even a 100% placement guarantee to help you land your dream job. The cloud industry isn't just growing. It's redefining what's possible in tech. The question is, are you ready to be part of it? Check out the programs at NetTech India, and let's get you started on your cloud journey. The future is up there, and trust me, it's worth it.
Be sure to like, subscribe, and share with others.